Hello everyone, welcome back to Shigri Insights. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial, how to change the search engine in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and head to the top right corner of your browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the menu icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and click on Settings. Now in the settings, look for the search engine option on the left sidebar. Click on it. You'll see the currently selected search engine, and on the right side, you'll see a change option. Click on Change. Now, you'll see a list of available search engines. To change your default, simply select the one you want and click on Set as Default. Then, relaunch Google Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully changed your search engine in Google Chrome. Whether you're switching to Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or any other option, it's that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.